Hello, my name is Katrin Iken. I'm a professor of marine biology at the College of Fisheries and Ocean Sciences here at UAF. Thank you for joining my talk about the Beaufort Lagoon ecosystems, LTER. LTER stands for Long-Term Ecological Research, and the Beaufort Lagoon Ecosystems Project is one of 28 LTER programs here in the US. The Beaufort Lagoon Ecosystems Project is located at the northern shore of Alaska at the Beaufort Sea. You see this in this yellow circle up here, where we find a series of coastal lagoons stretching along the Beaufort coast. Together with our other colleagues from other universities listed at the bottom of the slide, we're trying to look at how seasonal and long-term variations in the interactions between the land and the ocean influence stability and the resilience of coastal food webs in these lagoons. We care about these lagoons because they're areas of intense coastal erosion. They harbor a lot of ecologically and economically and culturally important sentinel species, as well as are important areas for the food security for the peoples living up on the northern shore of Alaska. So specifically, we are trying to understand how this lagoon system changes and resets between the winter and the summer. So in winter, the lagoons are frozen, pretty much solid, nearly all the way to the bottom, and with very, very little interactions between coming in from the land or coming in from the ocean. A lot of the organisms populating the lagoons are excluded from the lagoons during this ice-covered time. And we are trying to understand how the system then resets in the summer when the ice has melted and these organisms move back into the lagoons, or maybe they have survived in little pockets within the lagoons. These organisms, as these worms and these little crustaceans, for example, they build the base of the food web then for many migratory bird species, for many fish species, and for many marine mammals. If we are understanding how these systems change and reset from this winter to summertime, then we would be able to better understand what the influence of continued climate warming and sea ice melt will have on these lagoon systems.